بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم عن أبي هريرة رضي الله عنه قال كان رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم إذا عطس وضع يده أو ثوبه على فيه وخفض أو قال غض بها صوته شك الراوي رواه أبو داود والترمذي. Sayyidina Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu narrates that when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to sneeze, he would place his hand or his garment over his mouth and lower or muffle the sound. This hadith teaches us an important etiquette that often is ignored or neglected, and that is when you sneeze, you should cover your mouth with something. You can cover your mouth with your arm, you can cover your mouth with your hand, with the front of your hand or the back of your hand, or you can cover your mouth with a piece of fabric, a piece of cloth, a garment, or something. And there's so much wisdom behind that. Our beloved Prophet ﷺ, whenever he sneezed, and of course, he was a perfect human being. And as a human being, he would sneeze as well. Sometimes he would sneeze in public as well. But whenever he sneezed in public, he was seen covering his mouth, either by his hand or by a garment, maybe the side of his imama, his turban, or something that he would use to cover his mouth, and he would lower the sound of that sneeze as well. Some people, they sneeze so loud and they scare away the kids around them, or even the birds will fly away when they sneeze. The Prophet ﷺ would try to suppress deliberately the sound of his sneeze as much as possible as well. These are important etiquettes that are being passed on to us by the most perfect human being, that by the most beloved of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So these etiquettes are to be observed when you sneeze, especially when you are in public, when you are in presence of other people, family members or non-family members. You cover your mouth when you sneeze. And look, when you don't cover your mouth, all the splashes of your spit, they fly everywhere. Sometimes they go on to the people in front of you, or they just go in the air. All of that is bad. You should contain that to yourself. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.